50 awesome AI tools and websites you probably didn't know existed. This video showcases 50 fascinating AI websites and tools that you probably didn't know existed. From AI-generated art and music to virtual assistants and chatbots, each website on the list offers a unique and innovative use of artificial intelligence. Viewers will discover how AI is being used in creative and practical ways, ranging from predicting the weather to generating recipes, and even helping people cope with mental health issues. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the latest AI developments, this video is sure to amaze and inspire. My channel covers a variety of AI technology, from educational content to entertainment and everything in between. Whether you're looking to learn something new, stay up to date on current events, or just relax and have a good time, there's something here for you. So, without further ado, let's get started. Piano Genie is a tool that allows users to use their computer or phone to simulate playing a piano with the use of machine learning. Users can use either the 8 numbered keys on a keyboard or the home row A, F, and J, E to play the piano. The tool also has a sustained pedal feature that is activated with the spacebar. Piano Genie works best when used in landscape mode on a phone. The GPT Who Lived gives OpenAI's GPT-3 access to all the Harry Potter books. The Chat GPT tool allows users to share, solve, and create their own puzzles that involve getting Chat GPT to say or answer certain questions or tasks. Users can challenge each other with questions and tasks, and use less than 20 characters to get Chat GPT to identify itself as Cat GPT. Booom.AI, enter a topic and it will generate a fun trivia game that you can play around with that topic. Play by yourself or play with friends. AI is a joke. Enter a topic and it will give you a joke along with an AI-generated image. Image to sound, FX. The tool provides an interface to convert images into sound effects. It allows users to upload image files and generate sound effects from them. Built on Hugging Face. Tiny Storie, personalized audiobooks for kids using AI. Reimagine Home. The StyleDod tool is an AI-powered redesign platform that allows users to virtually stage, transform, and reimagine any space. It can redesign empty spaces, virtually stage them by identifying and considering all architectural elements. Redesign furnished spaces by automatically considering all architectural elements and furniture pieces. And redesign exterior spaces and patios by taking into account architectural elements such as lawns, backyards, pools, and outdoor furniture appliances. GPT Travel Advisor. Create a travel itinerary for any city in the world in just a few seconds. Hair by AI is an AI-powered hairstyle assistant for women that helps them find their desired look. It combines hairstyle and AI to provide realistic styling suggestions. It includes 100s of the latest hair fashions, allows users to upload 10, 30 pictures of themselves, provides downloadable digital images, and 550-plus customized hairstyles across multiple ethnicities. Outfits. AI. Use AI to see what you'd look like in different outfits. Maps. GPT helps users quickly find and explore interesting places near them using AI. Type in what you're looking for, where you're looking for it, and your email. The app will send you a custom map with what you're looking for. Dreamscape is an app designed to help users explore and discover the hidden meanings and subconscious thoughts within their dreams, using state-of-the-art artificial intelligence. It features a dream journal, AI analysis, dream visualization, extra deep analysis, and the ability to copy text to the clipboard. It is designed for iPhone and requires iOS 16.0 or later. Vocal Remover. This free online application helps users remove vocals from a song and create a karaoke version. It uses artificial intelligence to separate the vocals from the instrumental components. Once the song is chosen, processing usually takes 10 seconds. The user will receive 2 tracks, one with no vocals and one with isolated vocals. AITWO, an AI-powered design tool that can be used to design interiors for rooms such as bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens, bathrooms, and dining rooms. It can also be used to design exteriors for homes and buildings. Users can select from a variety of styles, including tropical, modern, traditional, rustic, mid-century, minimalistic, eclectic, gaming, glamorous, industrial, coastal, bohemian, farmhouse, art deco, Mediterranean, Asian, French country, English cottage, Moroccan, Scandinavian, Hollywood Regency, and more. Users can also select a level of change they would like to see in the interior image, as well as optional decoration and furniture. The tool also offers a Sketch to Real feature, which can convert sketches to realistic images. Dreamhouse AI. The above tool provides free interior design ideas for your rooms, with multiple design inspirations available. It allows users to create their own interior designs with the given options. AI Recipe Generator. This tool provides an AI-generated recipe tailored to a list of ingredients that the user inputs. It also provides a variety of popular reads on topics related to baking, cooking, eating, and leftovers. Vacay, Vacation and Travel Chat Assistant. This AI assistant can design a custom trip, give you inspiration on where to go, and even generate local recommendations for hotels, restaurants, and attractions. Stories. 4Kids is a tool that helps parents and children create stories and illustrations together. It provides unlimited access to stories, poems, and beautiful illustrations, as well as the ability to save and share creations. It works on all phones and tablets, and different pricing options are available. Gift Assistant is an AI-powered tool that helps users quickly find gift ideas for any occasion. It requires no registration or data storage and will generate ideas in seconds. The tool also provides easy links to purchase the suggested items. Meals AI is a tool that helps create unique recipes from any ingredients or dietary restrictions. It can generate recipes quickly and easily, and provides festive and holiday-ready recipes. Users can share recipes with friends and browse recipes created by others around the world. Watch Now AI is the first app that uses Chat GPT to find your next binge-worthy movie or show. Simply add a few titles that you like and get 10 hyper-tailored recommendations. Extrapolate is a free and privacy-friendly tool that allows users to upload a photo and see how they will look at different ages in the future. Chef GPT, an AI-powered recipe recommendation tool that helps you to never worry about what's for dinner again. It suggests recipes based on the ingredients and tools you have, and the time you have available. It has 2 chef modes: Gourmet mode, which uses only the best combinations of ingredients, and All-in mode, which uses all ingredients listed. Meet Millie is an AI-powered tool that helps users to get the best response rate on dating apps. It provides personalized pickup artist skills, such as a pickup line, poem, best date, best photos, bio writing, and finish my sentence features. It helps users to break the ice, surprise their match, and get deeper conversations and relevant dates. Insta Novel is a free tool that uses GPT-3 and DALL-E 2 to generate mini-novels with beautiful artwork from a simple prompt. It is free to use, although there is a limit of 1 book per person. Currently, it is only available in English. However, more languages will be added in the future. The Getaiway AI-powered travel tool allows users to create personalized travel plans in under 1 minute. It takes into account a user's budget, vibe, and taste preferences to create an itinerary by the hour. It also features curated travel plans from Getaiway experts. Supermeme is an AI-powered meme generator that helps users create memes from any text, in any language. It also offers an array of tools and features, including a meme template selector, a multilingual meme generator, an AI-powered meme search, and APIs to help users promote their personal or professional brand across social media, digital ads, and outbound marketing. It's free to try and no credit card is required. Playlist AI, the best app for making playlists on Spotify and Apple Music. Create playlists from AI prompts, images, videos, and your most listened to music. Giftastic AI is a personalized gift recommendation engine that uses cutting-edge AI technology to analyze the personal characteristics of the person and recommend unique and thoughtful gifts. It is free of charge and helps users quickly and easily find the perfect gift for their loved ones. We made a story. Generate original children's bedtime stories with the help of artificial intelligence. Simply write your idea in a sentence or two and let the AI do the rest. It generates the story, the pictures, and the audio narration for your kids to listen to as they drift away to sleep. Dreamily is a creative AI companion that helps you create stories, worlds, and characters. It offers collaborative writing models, sentence length preferences, and the ability to share stories as images. You can also create your own unique universe, including story backgrounds, character entries, and inter-character relationships, which Dreamily remembers and helps you complete. Giftbox, a helpful tool for finding the perfect gift for someone. It allows the user to select the type of person they are looking for a gift for, such as a husband, wife, mother, father, brother, sister, etc., as well as the age of the recipient. It then provides a list of suggestions for gifts that would be suitable for that person. The Maigic Book, never-ending AI-powered customized stories app, is a storytelling tool that uses artificial intelligence to generate custom stories for users on iPhone, iPad, and Mac devices. Blackink AI, create your own unique flash tattoo in seconds. Stop spending months searching Pinterest for your next tattoo. Generate custom, unique tattoos in seconds with Blackink's AI, designed to create tattoo-like designs just for you. AutoDraw is a drawing tool that uses machine learning and drawings from talented artists to help everyone create visuals quickly and easily. It features a suggestion tool that can guess hundreds of drawings and can be used on any device. It is free to use and was built to make drawing and creating more accessible and enjoyable. Your Move AI-generated flirting support. Generate flirty or thoughtful responses and openers, so you can spend less time texting and more time dating. Play phrase. Type a phrase and find a video clip that has that phrase in it. Great for sampling audio and music or finding clips to inject into your YouTube videos. Use it for memes, B-roll, and other fun ideas. It's basically a video clip search engine. AI Recipe Generator. Recipe Generator offers a fast and easy way to create custom recipes. All you need to do is create an account, enter the ingredients you have at home, and the website will send you a unique recipe to your email. Bedtime Story. Create personalized, instant bedtime stories in seconds. Generate a story about your child, including some family members as characters, and add a genre, story style, moral, and much more generated using artificial intelligence. Cool Aiid. This site offers interior design ideas using AI, with over 20 styles to choose from, and the ability to get inspiration for any room in the house. Users can also decorate their home by adding a rug, gallery wall, or moldings. Cool gift ideas. Having trouble coming up with good gifts? Cool gift ideas lets you harness the power of AI to find unique gifts for people, based on the description you provide. The longer the description you provide, the better the gift suggestions. Genie AI. Find the perfect gift in seconds with AI, for free. Just jot down a brief description of your recipient and get a list of gifts our AI Genie believes will delight them. Hairstyle AI. The Hairstyle AI tool uses AI technology to generate different hairstyles based on photos provided by the user. After uploading the photos and making a secure payment, the AI will generate new hairstyles for the user to try. Text-to-song. A tool that allows users to turn text into a song. It uses natural language processing to convert textual input into an audio composition. The tool allows the user to choose from a variety of music styles and instruments, as well as adjust parameters such as tempo, key, and dynamics. The resulting track can be exported as a high-quality audio file. Character.AI is a beta product that uses neural language models to enable users to collaborate with a computer to write dialogue with the illusion that they are talking with another character. It can be used for imagination, brainstorming, and language learning. Replika is an AI chatbot companion that creates a unique and personal connection with the user. It offers a safe and judgment-free space to share thoughts and feelings, track mood, learn coping skills, and work toward mental well-being goals. It also provides a customizable 3D avatar, so you can make your replica as unique as you are. Text to Pokemon. The website Lambdoll Text to Pokemon is an online tool that allows users to input any text and generate a Pokemon of their choice based on the words used in the text. The tool provides a variety of options for users to customize their Pokemon, such as selecting the Pokemon type, size, color, and pose. The tool also allows users to share their created Pokemon with friends and family. Interior.AI is an AI image generator platform that allows users to upload an image of their or someone else's home and generate a new look and layout based on one of 17 pre-selected styles. It is part of a growing ecosystem of AI image generators and could be used for interior design ideation or real estate virtual staging. I hope you are enjoying the content. If you are and would like to see more, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support would mean a lot and help me continue to create new and exciting content. So, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss a beat. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.